Hello to my channel. I come back with another sketching. So in this part I want to talking a lot. Vice versa as the previous video. My vision about this video: develop your mindset about architecture. If you want to focus on the previous architecture, you see that, and every person and focus and invent and invest of the drawing, because drawing is a very a favorite for every people, especially in customer need to and show them your ability. For example, if you have an idea about everything about a different part of the architecture, so and customer want to see your idea and concept on the paper. For this matter, with this practice, with this video, you can show them your ability. For example, you have an idea, a specific idea in the project, and quickly upward and quickly bring your paper and pen, so start to and drawing. These are influence on the owner, builder, stakeholder, everything, because with this craft you full of personality, you're full of your discipline as an architect. And for this matter, a vision of to create this page is improve or develop, enhance your business, your craft, your expert, and change be expert. So focus on this simple rule, principle in architecture. For example, in square and the simple and drawing, that's it. These are create your business, create your mindset about your idea, and the final everything be changed, I promise you. Okay, it's enough. Move forward to show you another secret of the sketching with a 2-point and 1-point perspective. Thanks for watching this video. That I said you that everything start with simple shape. After I'm working and after time and working on your business and step by step, so improve your idea concept. The final, you can move to software, for example Revit and AutoCAD. One of the famous and other between the other software is Revit. Revit is very practical for every architect. And the final, show your customer, show your for example employer and owner, stakeholder, with a good presentation. If you like this video, and subscribe under this video to the channel, so follow us, and we need to energy feedback yourself with to continue with to be better and create a good video. See you later.